Hey, this guy with another pack opening. Today, 2 packs of Prismatic Evolution. Got to work today and there was a restock on the kiosk at work. So I grabbed a couple of packs of Prismatic. Let's see what I can get. I'm not expecting something ridiculous, but it would be definitely nice to get a Pokeball. Ooh, a shiny Hollow Grass Energy, Larvitar, Baneri, Professor's Research, Pinsir. I remember saying that it would be nice, Bronzong, if I got a Pokeball or a Master Ball reverse. That'd be dope. Techno Radar, Diplin, Okie Dokie, Spritzy, and a Pheasantipity Hollow. Let's get into that second pack. Execute, Sneasel, Professor's Research, Dusclops, Earthen Vessel, Heatran, Rescue Board, another Professor's Research Reverse, Duskull Reverse, and look at that Vapy B, Vaporeon EX. That is nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.